Hi everyone, today we introduce CrypTok, an innovative app allowing secure blockchain-based transactions on the TikTok shop, enabling financial inclusion for those without access to traditional banking services like credit or debit card payment. When you open the CrypTok app, next, you'll land on a login page. Enter your email and password to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by clicking Sign Up Now. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the TikTok shop page. Here, you can browse various items available for purchase. When you find something you like, select it and choose to add it to your cart. Before confirming your purchase, you can check your wallet. The wallet page displays your available balance in various cryptocurrencies, ensuring you have enough funds for the transaction. After selecting your items and checking your wallet balance, you proceed to the summary page. Here, you see a breakdown of your purchase, including the total amount in USD. User clicks payment method, for example Ethereum, and is redirected to another summary page, but this time showing the total Ethereum due before checking out. Confirm your transaction and make the payment by entering the user private key. The app will process the transaction using blockchain technology to ensure the security and transparency.
Our blockchain uses a local Ganesh API, so let's now open up this local Ganesh API to see what is really going on behind this blockchain. I'd like to draw your attention to the first two addresses that we'll be referring to throughout the video. The first address is the address to TikTok wallet, while the second address is the address to the account that's making the purchase or transaction. As you can tell, they have different balances of 137.89 and 57.67 Ethereums each. Recall in this case, a user is trying to make a transaction to buy a vacuum cleaner for 1 Ethereum. So when the user signs his private key, by keying in his private key, what happens is the transaction runs. And as you can see, it is successful. So what happens next if you have noticed? Then you have noticed that the balance of the account that has made the transaction has actually decreased by 1 Ethereum. And the account that has received the transaction, which is also TikTok wallet, has increased in its balance by 1 Ethereum. So now, if we go to our transaction history, we can see our transactions and we can see that 2 new transaction hashes have been created. Depending on the computational power that the transaction requires, the gas used will depend. And we can see at the end of this transaction, 1 Ethereum has been transferred from the account that has made the purchase and bought the vacuum to the TikTok wallet. Blockchains are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any centralized entity. Instead, it's run by a network of individual users, and hence they offer transparency and at the same time efficiency.
Once the transaction is complete, you see a success page confirming that your payment was processed successfully.